Hey, what's up curlies? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I do all things curly hair tips, product reviews and styling. In the video today, you're going to find out which styling technique is best for definition. We'll be testing out the shingling versus the brush styling technique on my besties' curls. I started by sectioning off the hair. The first side, I'm going to shingle all of the curls. I start by applying water and then the mousse and just working it in with a tangle teaser brush. The product we are using today is the Shea Moisture Jamaican Castor Oil Styling Foam. After that, I begin shingling, which is basically just smoothing and defining each curl individually so it falls in line with the natural separation of the curls. I actually really like this method for defining, especially if you have time to work through each section. It did take me a little while to do, so I probably wouldn't do it on my hair, but her hair isn't very dense, so it wasn't as bad. Now we are moving on to the side for brush styling. I will show you the results of the shingling at the end of this video so you can get a good side-by-side visual. I'm just doing the exact same process in regards to the water and application, but when it comes to the styling, I'm gently pulling the hair downwards through the brush, then wrapping it up towards our head and twirling it out of the handle of the brush. Now this technique is great. I have tried it on my hair in the past and it gave me some really nice definition at the end, but the root didn't work for me as well. If you have a looser curl pattern, I would definitely recommend this technique for definition. Okay, so here is the result after styling. Both styles do look nice, but there is a noticeable difference with the curl pattern. It is still wet, so we are going to diffuse this out and get the fully dry results. I'm just spraying some heat protectant before I diffuse. This one is from Imbue. I did the hover diffuse method and cupped a little at the bottom towards the end for a bit more volume. This is the final result. The right side is brush styled and the left side is shingled. The curls on the right were definitely tighter and more defined in my opinion, but the left did look fuller and more natural. Overall, it seems like the brush styling technique gave her curls more definition than the shingling technique, so this is the one I would recommend for definition. Which one do you prefer? Let me know in the comments and I will see you in the next video.